Well, here it is, the donor. F250. All right, let's try something else. Good for a donor. I mean, it looks pretty good on camera, but should work for our completely missing front end. So we're going to basically start off with the bed, taking it off to completely dismantle this one, to use all the body parts, the bed, the cab, everything, etc., the motor, transmission, into our new white one.
That's those girls from the neighborhood. All right.
Yeesh.
Oh, he ate the...
Oh my gosh. So this one was a flood. Just to give you an example of how bad it was, the wires are just falling apart. So that's where all the rust and dirt and nasty comes from.
I'm surprised that this radio works. Had the 2013 E350.
Yeah.
Flooded. There was mud on top of the rearview mirror. I put power in and the radio was working.
Gosh.
I couldn't believe nothing else was working. The radio was playing.
They're wrestling. Just cease together. Oh my gosh, look at that dash bar.
It's unbelievable. Feel the wire from inside there. Feels right. Scratching the wood. Can you believe it?
Scratch the real wood.
The Ford real wood.
American real wood, whatever. Crap. Well, let's hope this rest of this project doesn't go like this, because that would suck. All right.
It's still usable.
Okay, cool. How long is this car set? Over a year?
Over a year here. That over whatever. I don't know how much. How long?
Look at that. Over a year here alone. And we have a pool in the middle of the truck.
Bolts are rusty. The water's been covered.
Ew.
That was a submarine official.
So, making even more progress. Dash is completely out. There's the harness. You can see kind of how bad the floor is from the dash bar. But you can see that's the dash out. So progress is being made. Started to work on the front end too. There's some of the parts removed. Big old Ford grill. So getting ready to take this cab off. So let's get to it. All right, so as you can see, got rid of quite a few things. No more harness back here. Tanks are gone, exhaust is gone, drive shaft is on the way of getting out. So stripping her down so we can really clean her and get her ready for the swap.
On the video they're gonna say we're stupid. We think that the drive shaft.
Well, according to the internet, everyone's stupid, so. Yeah. The wheels are locked. That's why it started to push. And this motor and tranny and transfer case is just toast. So that's why it's really doesn't care about it that much. Massive. Holy crap. Alright, doing some more prep work on the frame, cleaning it up. So we can get it ready for all the new stuff we're going to put into it.